9 incredible gadgets that you can buy online. Technology keeps evolving and gadgets keep increasing. We all love new gadgets that we can use in our daily routine to ease our work. Well, here is a list of 9 incredible gadgets that you can get for yourself online. Before going into the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button for 1 month of good luck. Let's begin with the list. The Wi-Fi Smart LED light bulb. Luckily, we now also have smart bulbs. You can use a remote or your mobile application to switch these bulbs on or off. You can also dim the light and the bulb gives a natural warm light. Compared to other bulbs, it saves energy and makes life a lot easier, making it an essential cool gadget for your smart home. On number 8, we have the WT2 language translator earbuds. Do you like traveling to other countries? A huge problem you might face would be the language barrier. Well, this earphone solves this problem. These buds can translate up to 40 different languages and 93 accents, covering 85% of the entire population on Earth. It is suitable with both Android and iOS and comes with a charging case. All you have to do is plug them in your ears and just communicate with the locals efficiently. The iLife W400. This is another essential gadget for your household. It is an effective cleaning and scrubbing robot. Not only this has a sleek and unique design, but it also is very effective in cleaning dirt, stains and other residues off the floor. It has 2 tanks, each of them collects clean and dirty water off the floor. TileMate. TileMate is a versatile and unique Bluetooth tracker. It is perfect to find things like wallet, keys and mobile phones. The TileMate has an excellent range of 200 feet, and when it is out of range you can use the mobile application to view its history to find your things. All you need to do is attach your mate to your things and later use the mobile application to find them. The Alex Survival Kit. This amazing survival kit is a must for you if you love to go on adventures. A small sized kit contains 24 types of different items, which is each unique and essential for survival. The kit contains a knife, paracord bracelets, a wire saw, an emergency blanket and many other essential items which are necessary if you are in danger. The August Smart Lock Pro. The smart lock is one of its kind. It fits properly into your existing deadbolt and it is very secure. Do you ever forget to lock the door on your way out or you lose your keys? Well, with the August Smart Lock Pro you would not have to worry about this, as this lock comes with a smartphone application which lets you control your door lock. It also lets you set up a timer for the door to be locked, and you can always lock and unlock your door from your smartphone. The Canon IVY printer. This Canon printer is a super portable Bluetooth printer. How many times have you wanted to capture a moment and picture it instantly? Well, this printer makes this possible. It can be carried easily and print a great resolution photo of 2 by 3 inches. It is compatible with both iPhone and Android, and you can also print your mobile photos by connecting to its app and via Bluetooth. The UTech wireless charger. This is one of the best wireless chargers you can get from Amazon. UTech wireless charger has a compact and sleek design and can charge anything. This wireless charger is a QI certified and made of ABS material, which makes it fire resistant. It does not contain any lights that can be irritable and can be charged by an Android charger or an iPhone charger as well. It provides a great wireless experience which you must have in your home. Echo Show. This is a video equipped speaker ideally designed for home chefs. You can view movies, recipes and FaceTime with your friends while cooking from your kitchen. It has a 10.1 HD screen and has an amazing Dolby speaker attached for great voice. You can also control it via Alexa and use this device to control your home. You can set wallpapers on the Echo Show of your loved ones as well. This device also helps you to set alarm, timers and add items to your shopping list. Top stuffs that you should have. Well, this is where we end the video, but guess what? We caught your interest in tech gadgets as you stuck till the very end of the video. Let us know in the comments down below which one you liked the most. We will catch you up in the next video.